First, peel off the skin. This is the hardest part. After that, uh, cut it to the half and cut them into smaller pieces, like a dice them. And then put them in a boiled water to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. It didn't take much time. Make sure it gets pretty soft. And then we're gonna blend it in the blender. Butternut squash has a lot of water in it, and it has a lot of fiber, so it's perfect for baby food. It takes only 15 to 20 minutes to cook, and also you only need to run the blender for like 1 or 2 minutes. It's pretty easy. So puree is perfect for young babies like 6 months or 7 months. Butternut squash is used in the famous Jewish soup tzimmes, Tzimmes. This, I think, is for preventing constipations, I think. It's very yummy soup, and I made it and I'm gonna post it in a video. Blending butternut squash is so easy because it has lots of water in it. I don't have to add water. Okay, the butternut squash puree is done. My baby always finishes in a few minutes. Thanks for watching.